I didn't know the world could go that quiet. Like sound itself stayed above while I sank into something older, deeper, stiller.
I watched her vanish below the surface, my baby, swallowed by the blue, and I had to trust the bubbles would come back.
It felt like floating through a dream, like time forgot to tick.
There's bravery in breathing underwater, and there's bravery in letting go from the shore, and there's bravery in knowing when you can't do either.
I went looking for wonder and I found a whole new world. This is the Traveling Tailors. Take the plunge with us. Hello, I'm Ashleigh.
And I'm Martha.
We're the Traveling Tailors. Today is an exciting day because I am going to learn how to scuba dive.
Yeah,
She will not be coming with us.
I'll be pacing back and forth
She'll
nervously.
be pacing and praying the entire time. It'll be a 5-hour experience. We're gonna learn first at the center, at the pool, and then we're gonna go into the ocean. What are your thoughts?
I think you're crazy, but hey, there are a lot of crazy people out there, so how about it? You know?
And my thoughts are it's gonna be so fun. Let's just learn the skills, pay attention, and all will be well.
See you guys shortly. Heading to Scuba.
Yeah. Just fill out some paperwork.
We made it.
Are you a fast cold in the water, Ashleigh?
Am I a what?
Do you have cold fast in water?
Yes.
Okay.
I was freezing out there. Sitting.
Because then we will give you a vest. Yeah. Keep you a little bit more warm.
You need training for this.
Oh my gosh. That is crazy.
Okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay, very good. Lean forward. Okay. How does it feel?
Nice and fit.
Yeah, okay. Now you can go up and then you can do first this elbow. Yeah, I'm just going to do one side. You can try that. Help you get your fins on, and then we go a little bit Swim in the water like you inflated, then it will be less heavy. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So when I go in the water,
Yeah.
do I have to press this?
No.
I just
So-
start with All right, so I'm out from my first lesson at the pool, scuba diving. Now we're gonna head to the ocean. What was your thoughts as a bystander?
Oh, I think this is crazy. There are way too many steps, too many things to remember. The breathing out, and you know, it was just a lot. You know,
It's a lot, yeah.
Yeah.
There's all these different things to do, but the most important thing is to breathe. And that's like it's simple, but it's hard for us because we hold our breaths a lot.
On everything.
Like on everything.
Yeah,
Like in
yeah.
dance, I held my breath. Even walking up the stairs, I hold my breath. And you have to breathe through your mouth, not your nose.
Right.
And I'm like, okay.
So that makes it a little bit more difficult.
Yeah.
And, you know, just trying to get the water out from the snorkel.
The mask.
It's just too
It's a
much.
lot because water can get in your mask and you have to get it out. It's like underwater.
And the regulator?
And the regulator,
Yeah.
that's what you're breathing through.
Yeah, if water gets in
If
there,
water gets-
there are 2 ways, right?
Yeah, there are
do
2
it.
ways to get the water out. But the thing is, I was like freaking out because I'm like, well, it doesn't make any sense to me. If you have this regulator, you're underwater, and you're putting it in your mouth. Are you breathing in water? Like, because when we breathe in water, we like cough, right? Like that's what starts us coughing. But for whatever reason, science, whatever, you don't cough. Like the way it's created is the water doesn't
down.
go into
Right.
your
So
lungs.
you can just press the button and push it out.
Yeah, or push it out. So we're gonna head to the ocean.
So they're going to the ocean.
We're going to the ocean.
And I'll be on the deck looking at them. So how are you feeling?
Oh, I'm heavy. That's all I'm feeling. That's all.
Yeah, okay.
Turn around for a sec.
Yeah. Okay, now we already go. Then we watch out. Might can be a little bit slippery.
Okay.
Okay. Not him.
And I have that tape. Okay, so I know that's where they're diving because I can see some air bubbles right there. I just can't see them. Right here. Okay, I see them near that buoy and they're heading in that direction. I can see some of the air bubbles from the breathing. Yeah. Heading on out. Here we are in Akara while Ashley is diving, and I found a farmer's market.
Hola.
Ah, hola, mangoes.
I am the king from Mango. I am Mango King. Mango.
That's so cool. Wow. One. Cool. This is sour stuff. The mango cake. I smell guava. I smell peppers. Avocados. Ah, I knew I smelled guavas. She made it, and she's struggling to get up the hill, but she made it. Oh my gosh.
I am so out of breath.
Yeah, almost there.
Okay, take a breath.
It's already your weight back, huh?
I'll keep moving.
Does this help? Or not? No? Almost there. The worst part is there.
Flatland. Go on that side, Ash. Oh no, I think she can change over there.
Just finished scuba diving. Look at my little mask marks. I made it back. I came up mid-dive because I needed to just take a breather. It was way too much. And then I had no choice but to go back down because they weren't coming back. So I was like, okay, I guess we're going back down. And we dove all around. They loved going into the little cave type of deals. I'm like, that is dark. I cannot see. And we really can't swim. So let's stay away from the caves. I don't know if I would do it again. I think it was an experience. I think I need more practice. Like, I liked it. I enjoyed it. But I kept on like turning. The weight was too much. And also because they were holding me, like I would just be turning towards them. The breathing and stuff was fine. I just made sure to clench down on that thing so I didn't have to, put it back in. It was good. It was fun. I think it makes me appreciate being on land, honestly. But it was really cool to see. We saw a fish sleeping, which was like really cool. And like some of the fish like were like illuminated in blue. It was cool. That is a way to start my 29th year of living. I will say that. Give me all the raw details. What did you think of my first dive?
Very good.
Are you serious?
No, yeah, it's good.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it's very good.
What did you think, Flo?
Good, yeah. Your air consumption super as well.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought I was breathing a lot.
No, you did good actually. You came out with, what was it, a 40-minute dive?
Yeah, 80, 90 bar.
And you came out with 80 bar, yeah, that's good.
Okay. What about the flipping and the tossing and turning?
That's just normal.
I would more be worried if you didn't do that in your first dive.
Okay.
So no, really good.
See, down below, I couldn't see you guys.
How was that feeling to see she
It was
going
fine.
down under the water and disappear?
It was fine. I saw bubbles,
Yeah.
and that's why I kept looking.
you
Okay,
can
we're at the
trace
bubbles.
it,
Yeah. So that's why I was able to trace you guys.
Did you have anxiety?
No,
Did you pray?
no.
Wow, you didn't even pray for me?
I already prayed this morning. So. I was like, yeah, we got this, guys. We got this.
No, she was just because it was like, as long as the bubbles don't disappear.
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly.
Well, I'm thankful we had two good instructors. I felt very safe. Yeah.
Some experiences don't shout their meaning. They settle in like quiet joy long after you've dried off.
Today wasn't just about scuba diving. It was about choosing to feel everything, even the nerves, even the wonder.
And letting those small glowing moments be enough.
Tomorrow is our last day in Tenerife and the Canary Islands. One more beach day, one more sunrise, one more slow walk.
And we're going to savor every second Tenerife gives us.